Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Google Pixel, the first generation, the OG, and it's gonna need a new battery and a new charging port, so let's get into it. So this Google Pixel is quite nice for its age. The Google Pixel, the original one, the first gen, was released way back in 2016, and with this being in the 2024s in this good of a condition suggests that it's I think well taken care by its owner, or it's a new old stock or whatever, but the battery is failing, and that might have been caused by the faulty charging port. It's already using the Type-C protocol, so that's good. That means that the Type-C has been holding up for quite some time now, and we have a replacement one here in the shop. We have both the battery and the charging port replacement modules. And David is gonna remove the display right away. This has been the mode of disassembly for Google Pixels up to the latest version. You have two screws holding the retaining clip for the display cable, and you detach it right there. The display is still okay, so we don't want to damage that. We're gonna remove some screws because we're not gonna replace the display. If that was the case, we are about halfway with the process, but we're gonna remove the battery, so more screws had to be pulled out, and the cover for it will be pried open from the sides. It's going to be lifted up quite nicely here. It's going to take some time. If you have a smartphone that looks this good, you might as well take your time. Be very careful not to scratch the side of it. And now we have to detach it. There's, I think, a cable on top. I'm going to remove that. When you try to DIY your phone repair, always make sure you don't yank out parts right away. Check if there's underneath it, or you can watch a tutorial video first before trying it yourself. Right now we are into the guts of the device. You have removed the battery connector and the display connector, I guess. Oh no, that is the cable for the charging port to the main board, so also going to remove that flex cable. And now the battery is off, and then the charging port is going to be next. We're going to detach it. It's quite complicated with the antenna cables still attached to it. And remove that. Still not removed. And there you go. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. This is the replacement charging port. So the same process, we're just gonna reverse it. I think these are the cables for the antenna cables. Pretty fiddly, especially there's two of them. Right here we're gonna attach one, and they also attach in the underside as well, so it's more complicated. Next one, I'm gonna take a lot of this dexterity and steady hand. So this is why we entrust the pros whenever we have complicated repair needs. You can DIY to a certain extent, but if you need advanced techniques on how to assemble, reassemble, troubleshoot, diagnose problems on your device, you need the pros to do it. Like David here is making it look easy, completing the repair in a much faster time frame. And now we have our second brand new part. This is the new battery. This is gonna be slotted in. There's adhesive underneath the battery. We are gonna reconnect it, and then the flex cable from the charging port will have to be reattached as well. That's it. I think we have to cover this up now. We have the connector, one final connector right there. So if you have a Google Pixel, you have the first gen, second gen, third gen. Those are quite old at this point. But if you have a working smartphone from Google, you can still have a new battery, new display, new charging port. Of course, there's some replacement units for those parts. If you want to collect specific smartphone models and you want to restore them, definitely head over to Sydney CBD Repair Center. We do screen replacement mostly, and then battery replacement, of course, and charging port replacement, camera glass replacement. You just ask David first what you need, and if he has the parts in stock, or he can order one for you and you can wait, then he will definitely do the job for you. He's done smartwatch repairs, GoPro repairs, and this one also restoration, full restoration of a Google Pixel first gen smartphone. We're gonna test this now, see if it's gonna boot up, and it's charging. That's a good sign. That means that the charging port module is fully operational. I'm gonna turn this on, see if it can boot up on its own battery power. It's booting up right away. There you go. I'm gonna test this. Touchscreen is still working, display still intact. That's David there. Pretty nonchalant, very adamant that he can fix this smartphone, and he did. Touchscreen working just fine, and to see this OG smartphone come into life, to be restored and be used once again, it's pretty heartwarming. It's nostalgic. So I have the Google Pixel 2 XL, so this one is older than what my phone is. We're gonna finish this repair by putting our adhesive around the housing so that we can finally install the display. We're just gonna reconnect the cable, flex cable. We have the retaining clip and the two screws, and we're just gonna press them all together, and we have a finished Google Pixel battery and charging port replacement. So thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe. We release new videos every single day. If you have any suggestions, questions, comments, feedback, leave them down below. Leave a comment, leave a like. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, Sydney CBD Repair Center. And this is the complete result. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.